It's a Saturday. It's that time of the week where I have this urge to go out and about, visiting new places around me. Today, we are visiting this beach called Batu Ferringhi. This is one of Penang's most popular destinations. It's a stretch of soft white sand and a winding road called Jalan Batu Ferringhi. It's filled with a host of accommodation and dining options. We arrived early in the evening and it was pretty hot and sunny. Since there weren't many people around, we decided it would be a good time to take a few photographs. After spending some time at the beach, we decided to walk along the road that runs parallel to the beach. The street is lined with eateries, and at night the street transforms into a night market and is a major tourist attraction. On regular days, the beach also offers a range of water sport activities such as jet skiing, parasailing, and windsurfing. Bora is a famous seaside restaurant here with good ambience and food. I would definitely recommend dining here when you visit Batu Ferringhi. This place is clean, has good music, and really friendly staff. The beach is pretty good. The sand is clean and the area is well maintained. They have designated swimming areas with barriers, which are mostly occupied by children. There are few trees along the shore as well, where we saw few families put up picnic mats and they were having a good time.